Hi, welcome. This is Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I want to take you on a brief walkthrough of our Sea Ray 19 SPX. Starting off here in the transom, you notice the large swim platform. Up top we have a nice sized sun pad, plenty for a large adult. We've got a transom side walkthrough with a dedicated hatch here, open that up, and we got a nice cooler out of the way. You don't have to fumble around the deck for it. Looking in the aft of the boat, you notice the large seating area. There's the walkthrough sun pad on the top. We're going to open this hatch up and reveal the motor, which is a Merc Cruiser 4.5 liter 200 horse inboard outboard motor. The seat in the transom opens up, and then we got a nice cooler seat there out of the way, so two coolers on board. Let's look on the port side. Dual lounger, flip it up, single forward-facing companion seat. At the helm, we got a nice captain's chair, easy to read gauges, black for anti-glare on a sunny summer day. Let's take a look here. We got the nice storage hatch, open it up. Plenty of deep space in there lined with carpet. Keep the boat cover, life jackets, etc. Also in the front we have nice seating. These seats both lift up. Let's lift them up and take a look inside. More storage right here out of the way. You can put your anchor, your gear, etc. This boat's also equipped with 2 extra speakers in the bow, Rockford Fosgate sound system, nice stainless grab handles, and then on the port side we have a glove box. Open that up. It's insulated as well, but you can put your phone and other stuff in there. And we got a nice ski locker here. Notice that full piano hinge. We open that up. Deep storage for your skis, tubes, etc. Thanks for taking this tour with me of the Sea Ray 19 SPX. I look forward to hearing from you. Give us a call, 954-783-9555. Again, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach.